Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you tutorial create isometric drawing from Plan 3D model with software AutoCAD Plan 3D 2017. In the first case, we need to create new sheet here. In the folder that I create Plan 3D drawing here, I will erase this first. I will remove this drawing. I will create new drawing here and I make a name exercise. Click OK. Override the existing drawing that I created before. Sorry if my English bad because I'm still learning English language. In this projection, I will change from custom view to Southwest isometric to make it easier for me. And in this tutorial, I will create a sample from pipe 4 inches with spec carbon steel class 150. Don't forget to make a name for your line, piping line. It's important because it will make identity when you convert in isometric piping drawing. Root new line. I will make name exercise line 4 inches. Assign. Okay, I just start here with 2000 long. Turn left. It's about 1000. Nah, when you need to change the cursor go up, you can use press button control. Press the control button and click and hold it and click right click of your mouse together. So hold the control key and click the right click of your mouse. It will go up. It change direction. I will go with 800 and change direction again in 1000. Here I have sample isometric 3D model with pipe 4 inch carbon steel class 150. I will add a gate valve here with flange connection. This is my simple sample with 3D model. So I need convert this to AutoCAD isometric drawing 2D. I will start here, isometric drawing tab. Here, click isometric drawing tab. You can simply click tab ISOs, production ISOs. Click check A3. Select the line that you created before. This is exercise line. With advance, this max to right side. This is for setting, and then simply click OK, and then you click create. You only have to wait. This is still processing. If they finish, this will pop up in bottom right of your screen. Just click here. Click here. Nah, this is your AutoCAD isometric drawing 2D from Plan 3D model. So I think enough for this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry if my English language is bad because I'm still learning, and this is basic tutorial for converting from 3D model Plan 3D. Okay, see you guys. Thank you.